Welcome to Feathered Friends Encounter. Today, you'll have the opportunity to connect with some of our beautiful avian residents up close. Welcome, everyone. Are you ready to meet some of our feathered friends? Hands-on interaction. Extend hands as birds perch on them, offering seeds and gentle pecks of affection. Certainly, here are some interesting facts and safety instructions for holding birds on hand. Interesting facts Feathered Friends Encounter. 1. Birds have unique personalities. Just like humans, birds exhibit individual personalities, preferences, and quirks. 2. Feather diversity. Birds come in a wide array of shapes, sizes, and colors, with feathers adapted for various purposes such as flight, insulation, and display. 3. Avian intelligence. Many bird species display remarkable intelligence, problem-solving skills, and even the ability to mimic human speech. 4. Social creatures. Birds are often highly social animals, forming complex relationships within their flocks or with human caretakers. 5. Migration marvels. Some bird species undertake incredible migratory journeys spanning thousands of miles, navigating with precision using celestial cues and landmarks. 6. Safety instructions. 1. Approach with care. Always approach birds calmly and slowly to avoid startling them. 2. Gentle handling. Use gentle and steady movements when handling birds to avoid causing stress or injury. 3. Respect personal space. Allow birds to approach you voluntarily and respect their personal space to prevent them from feeling threatened. 4. Avoid sudden movements. Sudden movements or loud noises can startle birds and may cause them to fly off unexpectedly. 5. Wash hands before and after. To prevent the spread of germs and diseases, wash your hands thoroughly before and after handling birds. 6. Supervise interactions. Ensure that interactions with birds are supervised, especially for children, to prevent accidental harm to both the birds and participants. 7. Watch for signs of stress. Pay attention to the body language of the birds, such as fluffed feathers, rapid breathing, or vocalizations, which may indicate stress or discomfort. 8. Offer treats responsibly. If feeding birds by hand, use appropriate treats and avoid offering foods that may be harmful to them, such as chocolate or salty snacks. 9. Respect wildlife regulations. If hunting wild birds, familiarize yourself with local wildlife regulations and guidelines to ensure the safety and well-being of both the birds and yourself. By following these safety instructions and appreciating these interesting facts, participants can enjoy a safe and enriching experience holding birds on hand. Absolutely, holding birds on hand can be a wonderful stress reliever. Here is why. 1. Connection with nature. Interacting with birds, feeling their warmth and gentle movements, can help people feel more connected to the natural world, which has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety. 2. Mindfulness. The act of holding a bird requires focus and attention, which can help individuals stay present in the moment and temporarily escape from worries or stressful thoughts. 3. Physical touch. The tactile sensation of holding a bird in hand can be comforting and soothing, triggering the release of oxytocin, often referred to as the cuddle hormone, which promotes feelings of relaxation and well-being. 4. Visual appeal. Birds are often admired for their beauty and grace, and simply observing their colorful plumage and delicate features can have a calming effect on the mind. 5. Therapeutic benefits. Many people find interacting with animals to be inherently therapeutic, as it can reduce blood pressure, lower heart rate, and decrease levels of cortisol, a stress hormone. Overall, holding birds on hand provides a unique and enjoyable way to unwind and find peace amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life. Whether it's the gentle chirping, the soft feathers, or the sense of connection with another living being, the experience can leave participants feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to tackle whatever challenges come their way. Thank you all for joining us at Feathered Friends Encounter. We hope you enjoyed getting to know our feathered residents as much as they enjoyed meeting you.